Ah, you're finally awake. Hello, adventurer. I'm sorry to say this, but our academy has fallen.
Okay.
We've gone bankrupt because the headmaster he decided to gamble all of the academy's funds. So now here we are in the forest with nature and the spirits. It is always best to go back to scratch. That's why the academy falling is not necessarily a bad thing because, yeah, we get to enjoy this serenity.
Huh?
Alright, so now that the academy has fallen, we are going to have to work together. I believe we can. We can figure this out. My wisdom, I can part it to you, and then you can restore the academy and teach other new coming students. So, yeah, let us continue with what we had previously. Previously, there were 5 topics I spoke about to know in order that you need to know in order to start trading. So, we spoke about mindset, what trading is, the functionality of trading, actions and consequences, and time. Now, about that, let's recap. Let's do a quick recap so we can follow up on the next lectures. Because it's been a while since we last had a proper lecture. Because yeah, a lot of things had happened. The academy has gone bankrupt because the headmaster decided to gamble all. And now I'm just here left with this small laptop in the forest with my phone. Yes. So here we are, about to teach you, about to part wisdom, because even if we might not have valuables, there is still something valuable we have. Our knowledge. Our knowledge. Yeah. So previously, the first episode, the first lecture was about mindset. Mindset. That is rather simple. It's about knowing how to think. You need to be dedicated in order to start trading. You need to know your risk, you need to journal stuff, and you need to calculate everything precisely in order to become a profitable trader. Alright, that is it for mindset. Now, about trading, its background. What is trading exactly? Trading has its buyers and sellers. That is what trading is about. Buyers and sellers competing against each other and creating biases. A bias is a desire of a price. Like a crowd, a bunch of people that have a certain bias are people that are looking to change a price of the within the market in order for the price to go to how they want it. That is a bias, and yeah, that exists within the market. We have biases, and these biases can either be a buyer bias or a seller bias. The next thing we spoke about is trading, the functionality of trading. Trading is possible if you have a platform and a broker. A broker is basically an agent that connects you to the banks that provides you with contracts. Contracts that allows you to buy shares and yeah, purchases to be able to trade. Like to have contracts, and with those contracts you can you basically declare how much you have and how much you're going to make if price is going to go towards a certain price. It might be a profit, it might be a loss. But yeah, that is what a contract is, and that is what a broker provides. And broker is what you need if you're going to connect to a platform, because a platform only provides you with information, while a broker allows you to access the information. With that said, let's follow up with trading. Actually trading, like not the background, not its functionality, not what you need to start. We are going to talk about trading itself, how to be a trader. In order to become a trader, you need to know how the market works, and to know that, you need to know the actions and the consequences. By knowing the actions and the consequences, you can basically read the market and know what might happen next. The mosquitoes. What happened next? Because every action has its consequence, and if you're able to read that in the market, you can get ahead and know when to take profit. After making an order, a contract. Alright, so with that known, we proceed further on how to do it more accurately. We already know that we can watch the action and the consequences. But when do we exactly watch those things? See, we need to know about time, the right timing. This is simple, this is not complicated. You basically need to know when people start working in the banks or financial institutions, when the market is basically active. By knowing the time when the market is active, when there is volatility, basically volatility means that the market is active, you know when to trade. And when you know when to trade, you know when a consequence will arrive, and that consequence is gonna bring you profit if you took the trade right. Yeah, so that was the quick recap. I hope you understood. If you didn't understand, you can just watch the 5 episodes I explain in the episodes way better. But in this video, it was just a recap, just to remind you what we were talking about. We were talking about mindset, we were talking about trading platforms, we were talking about what trading is and what consists within trading, and how to be a part of that consistent. Is that even a word? Yeah. Yeah. That's it for the recap. Time to proceed with the next. There's a beast right here. There's a beast. Fall back, beast. Fall back. Fall back. A wolf has arrived.
Huh?
He's trying to eat me. Fall back. No! The wolf is coming. It's coming closer. It's coming closer. Yeah, so we're going to continue the next episode now that everything's clear and we know what we spoke last about. And yeah, let's continue. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Say bye bye to the students. Hello. Hello.